True authority is not built through loud voices or excessive explanations, but through conscious silence that gives weight to every word when spoken. Those who know themselves do not rush to justify. Calm reactions send a clear message. I control myself before I control the situation. Your posture, eye contact, and the calmness of your movements all are read before words are heard. Tension destroys authority, even with strong language. Over-explanation often signals the need for approval. Intentional brevity signals confidence. Silent authority knows when to stop. When everyone raises their voice, conscious silence attracts attention. Not every silence is weakness. Some silence is control. You deliver without reminders, show up without display, and leave without noise. This is how respect is built. You do not need to say, "Do not cross me." Your behavior draws the line. Self-respect enforces respect. People respect those who do not change with interest. Value consistency gives weight even to silence. Silent authority is not a mystery. It is inner clarity, not isolation, but elevated awareness. And when you finally speak, everyone listens. Have you experienced a moment where silence was stronger than any response?